Have you ever wondered if there are side hustles out there that require no special skills but can still bring in significant cash? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to challenge the common misconception that side hustles are limited to ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft. We're about to unveil a whole new world of possibilities where you can make over 6 figures per year without ever having to drive other people around. The truth is, side hustles come in all shapes and sizes, and they don't always involve being a chauffeur. We're here to show you that there are alternative options that can provide you with both financial freedom and flexibility. So if you're tired of the same old ideas and want to explore new avenues for making extra money, keep watching. We're about to dive into the exciting world of side hustles that require no skill but can generate you significant cash. Pilot car driver. Picture this. A massive, oversized load winding its way down the highway, stretching the limits of what's considered normal. Who ensures its safe journey? Enter the unsung heroes of the road, the pilot car drivers. These skilled individuals play a crucial role in escorting these mammoth cargoes, safeguarding both the load and fellow motorists. They are the guiding lights that ensure a smooth and secure passage for these extraordinary shipments. As a pilot car driver, your job is vital. You play a crucial role in guiding and protecting oversized loads during their transportation. You are the unsung hero who leads the way, ensuring the safety of the convoy and fellow motorists. Your keen eyes and quick thinking are essential for spotting potential hazards and communicating with the transport company and law enforcement agencies. You are the guardian angel of these extraordinary shipments, making their journey smooth and secure. One of the best aspects of becoming a pilot car driver is that you don't need any special qualifications or an extensive background in the transportation industry. Contrary to popular belief, you don't require a commercial driver's license, CDL. Whether you're a student seeking a part-time gig, a stay-at-home parent looking for flexibility, or someone eager to explore a new adventure, pilot car driving welcomes individuals from all walks of life. All you need is a valid driver's license and a desire to hit the road. What's even more appealing is the minimal requirements and vehicle flexibility associated with this side hustle. Alongside your driver's license, you'll typically need a reliable vehicle and a cell phone for communication. You don't need years of experience or a laundry list of certifications. Pilot car driving keeps things refreshingly simple, allowing you to focus on the excitement and opportunities that lie ahead. Now, let's talk about the earning potential and how you can get started. Pilot car driving offers an attractive income opportunity, with many drivers making a substantial annual income. The demand for pilot car services is steadily increasing, creating ample opportunities for you to capitalize on this thriving industry. To kickstart your pilot car driving journey, a great resource to explore is pilotcarloads.com. This platform connects drivers with transport companies in need of their services. It's a convenient way to find job opportunities, network with industry professionals, and access the tools and resources necessary to thrive in this field. Google to purchase middleman. Our second side hustle deals with websites and marketing. As a Google to purchase middleman, your primary function is to bridge the gap between Google searches and actual purchases. You act as the facilitator, guiding users from their initial search queries to the final stage of making a purchase. It's a fascinating position that requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior, search engine optimization, and effective marketing strategies. Let's dive deeper into the revenue model that drives this concept. Affiliate marketing. Websites, like the one you'll be creating, earn money through affiliate marketing by partnering with businesses and earning a percentage of the sales generated through their referral links. Essentially, every time someone clicks on an affiliate link on your website and completes a purchase, you receive a commission. It's a win-win scenario where you help consumers find what they need while earning a passive income. To establish yourself as a successful Google to purchase middleman, creating a personal brand blog is a pivotal step. This blog becomes your platform to engage with your audience, provide valuable information, and recommend products or services. By generating high-quality content that ranks well on Google's search results, you attract organic traffic and build a loyal following. It's through this connection that you can guide users on their purchasing journey, positioning yourself as a trusted source of information and recommendations. Creating a blog doesn't have to be a daunting task. With user-friendly website builders and content management systems like Webflow or WordPress, you can set up your blog quickly and easily. Once your platform is in place, it's time to dive into the exciting world of content creation. You'll be crafting engaging articles that not only answer users' search queries, but also entice them to make a purchase. Through compelling storytelling, informative guides, and persuasive product reviews, you'll become a master at capturing your audience's attention and converting their interest into sales. Of course, finding profitable topics to write about is a crucial aspect of your success. Fortunately, there are an array of free tools and resources available to help you identify popular search queries and guide your content creation process. These tools allow you to uncover trending topics, explore keyword opportunities, and understand the competition. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your articles to meet the demands of your target audience, ensuring your content ranks well on search engines and attracts the right visitors to your website. Window washing and roof cleaning. Our last no-skill side hustle is going to take us to new heights. Let's start by highlighting the undeniable demand for residential window cleaning. Imagine gazing out of a sparkling, streak-free window, basking in the natural light streaming through. Homeowners value clean windows, not only for the aesthetic appeal, but also for the improved clarity and overall ambiance they bring. As a window washing and roof cleaning entrepreneur, you have the power to meet this demand and make a significant impact while generating a generous income. One of the great advantages of this side hustle is its affordable startup costs. Unlike many business ventures that require substantial investments, window washing and roof cleaning can be launched with minimal expenses. The necessary supplies and equipment are relatively inexpensive and readily available, allowing you to get started without breaking the bank. With a modest investment, you can acquire the tools of the trade and begin your journey toward financial independence. Of course, finding clients is crucial to the success of your window washing and roof cleaning business. Fortunately, there are various effective strategies to attract customers and build a thriving clientele. Posting ads in local directories, community forums, and online platforms can help spread the word about your services. Additionally, distributing flyers in residential neighborhoods or partnering with real estate agents can increase your visibility and generate leads. By employing these marketing tactics, you'll ensure that your phone keeps ringing with eager homeowners seeking your expertise. But why stop at window washing and roof cleaning alone? Consider the enticing opportunity to upsell additional services, such as installing Christmas lights on rooftops during the holiday season. Many homeowners are eager to adorn their houses with festive lights, but lack the time, expertise, or desire to tackle the task themselves. By offering this value-added service, you tap into a profitable niche and provide convenience to your clients. It's a win-win situation where you can maximize your earnings while bringing joy and holiday cheer to the communities you serve. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey through various side hustles that can transform your financial landscape. Before we wrap up, we want to leave you with a few final thoughts. Firstly, if you found the concept of being a Google-to-purchase middleman intriguing and would like a dedicated video exploring this side hustle in more detail, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below, sharing your interest and any specific questions you may have. Your feedback will help shape future content, ensuring that we provide you with the information you're most eager to explore. Now, here's a bonus tip for those looking to diversify their income streams and grow their wealth. Passive investing through an investing app. By leveraging the power of technology, you can invest your money intelligently and watch it grow over time. These apps offer a user-friendly interface, expertly designed portfolios, and automated investing features, making it easier than ever to get started on your journey to financial prosperity. So, consider taking advantage of this opportunity and explore the world of passive investing through a reputable app like Robinhood. Remember, success rarely comes knocking on your door. You have to take the first step toward it. So let's embark on this journey together, supporting and inspiring one another along the way. Share your progress, challenges, and victories in the comments section below. Let's create a community of ambitious individuals striving for financial freedom and living life on their own terms. Thank you once again for joining us. And until next time, keep exploring, keep hustling, and keep chasing your dreams. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The possibilities are endless, and your potential is limitless. See you in the next video.